Yeah, I'm looking at the bank statements. I do not want to tell you. Nuts with my gang. You be just a stain.
Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing something that's like this, but it's this 4-in-1 fast charger. I honestly don't even know the name because it's like Japanese, but and I also don't know if it's white or if it's black, so it's kind of a surprise unboxing both of us. If I can figure out how to get the plastic off this thing and open the box. And if you're new to my channel, you know, it would mean a lot if you can subscribe for more videos and comment. If you have something that's better than this or this, please let me know in the comment below. But let's get into it. All right, I hope it's white because I already have a black one, as you can see. And of course it's gonna be black. And Type C, it's always good, right? Maybe the name will be on this thing. Nope, just fast wireless charger. In different languages. So it can, yeah. Ooh, it's fancy. I don't have an Apple Pen, and I don't plan on getting an Apple Pen. But this thing folds up, and I guess this thing comes out, like a little kickstand right there. Now I'm conflicted if I like this one or this one better. I mean, it would make sense because my phone goes right here. It would make sense for my phone to stand up if I'm at my desk and I can see what's going on, and you know, that'd be kind of cool. But the fact that this thing is not a wireless charger for my Airpods Pro kind of sucks because you have to fidget around and put it in, but I'm just being picky, right? Like, it's not a big deal, but I like that for this, and I like this for this. See the dilemma I'm having? My watch. Let's see. We'll go right here. Hold up, did it just like magnetize by itself? Do I not have to put the charger thing in it? I think I don't have to put that there, which is a huge plus. I can like save that and use it somewhere else. So that's a huge plus. Let's power it up. This also takes Type C, so put Type C in here. Ouch. Goes in here, and we have power. Let me see that. A little orange light, that means it's charging this thing, and a little red light. Now that's cool. I don't have to use this wire, which is like coiled up in the bottom of this thing. The link for in the description. No, I said that wrong. This product will be in the description below if you want to buy something like this, and the link for this will be in the description also. That's kind of cool. I don't have to use this, but it's charging. I'm not sure how fast it will be charged, but most of the times I just put it on there overnight and I'm going to bed and I wake up in the morning, so it's not a big deal if it's like 2 watts or whatever. But the watch, hey, it's 2 watts. Apple Pencil 2 watts. Earphone 5 watts. Cell phone 5 to 7.5 to 10. Not really telling you the exactly amount, but I'm just gonna go with the lowest one, 5 watts, because it's made in China. Yeah, that's about it. Nice, compact, light, plastic. This is nice. I think I might just switch from this and use this. What do you guys think? Which one do you think is better? This one that you have to use your own charger wire, or the one you don't have to use your own charger wire? Let me know in the description below. No, let me know in the comments below. I'm all flustered right now because there's so much going on. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. And there will be more videos because I'm always buying stuff. And it would help the channel out a lot. I have like 60 subs, so yeah. Thanks for watching.